spicy. Boom, da, da, doom, da, da, doom, boom.
I don't know if it's the spacer or the actual wheel. It looks like it's the spacer. I'm gonna put it in gear and I'm gonna let the wheel go. Watch your hand. Look at the wheel. Like I said, I'm hoping y'all can see what I can see. Can they see it? Can you see it? Does it look good through the camera? I can't see it.
Yeah, you look fine. Wait, why it's not on? Is it on?
Is it on? Is the red light on?
Red light on.
That's all that matters, recording. Huh? Yeah, you scared that nigga out. You was out here flinging dirt everywhere.
Hey, tell me if you hear it.
Right?
You know what we're talking about?
Nah, you good on me. Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
The back end plate touching it.
Yeah. Nigga done blew the cover off that motherfucker.
Goddamn engine cover flew off.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you know I am. You know I am.
You got to.
I can't wait to fuck it up. Fuck you talking about. You gritty and down.
You got to, nigga said.
Look at you.
Nigga getting sturdy, 80.
Yeah, man.
Every time I move my car to AutoZone, they be like, oh yeah, you got an 03 G35? Yeah, she's on her way out soon.
She's on its way out.
I said, oh, I already.
Last time we went,
Oh, he was there. He was there.
last time we went, Cuz was like, he was like, hey, what year? 03? Yeah, had a couple of those. It's on its way out. I was like, what the fuck?
I was
looking up like, every old white man has had it.
he wasn't even old. He's probably like 22.
Not 20, but like 30s and everybody. Bro, was like our age, bro. He was just hating. Like, our
be hating
parents'
like shit.
ages, I swear, every parent's age had this car.
My cousin had one. It was an 03 that was prime time. This was the prime sports car. That nigga car wasn't that when my car came out.
Walls, probably got walls, nigga. Huh? You waking up walls? It looked like he underneath your car. He probably was living in that motherfucker.
It was. Oh God, it was on the old disc.
Hey, if it wasn't bothering you, it wasn't bothering
I seen
him.
that, yeah.
Well, I had to zip tie my front bumper back together. The bolts don't work no more.
Mine don't either. When I go take mine to the body shop, I might ask him to fill up all the holes and remake new holes.
Like,
Hey bro, as long as she look good. As long as she look good. His two ends flap up because he catch, so like, you know how aerodynamics work, but he catch wind on the bottom. So it brings his two ends out and it points up and it flops up because the wind catches the bottom of it. He got the Nismo bumper.
Yeah. He ain't snitch on me though.
You gonna like, he ain't snitch on me though, no cap. He ain't snitch on me though. Geek, cause I can see myself on it. It just look weird. Just, nah, cause if you recording like that, yeah.
Bro, Lucky, shut the hell up.
Hey, Twin. Close it. You want me to close it? Yeah. Brake parts laying around and shit. You know, got her on the road. She running. I see it. I see it. I'm hoping y'all can see what I can see. Huh? Yes. Hang on over there. The GoPro looking like we valid. Damn, that's good. Yeah, we look good. Like I said, we in the bin. We finna get, yeah. I don't know, I ain't got a cup. I'm all up in his cup and shit. But yeah, man. Shit. Like, Red Sea, you need to clean it out. But we ain't gonna talk about that. See, look, he ain't been in this joint. Look at the spider webs on that hoe. He ain't been in this motherfucker a little minute. Yeah, man. We just got it back on the road, so can't even really say too much. It's finna be straight, though. I'm finna see what the hell he got going on. So, I'm gonna let him get his shit together. He ready anyway. I need to wash this motherfucker. I like this suede boot.
I ain't gonna kill this nigga, man. He grown.
I need me a short shit. Did this joint look good? I like that suede boot.
Got grab on.
Yeah. Hell going on? Dang.
You shitting there?
A little bit.
Damn, I just put it on.
Still got the rags, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Clean that motherfucker. Throw this shit away.
He said, oh, hell no. 92 with the working cup holders. Nah, man, I might have jinxed him. And 92 with the mid working cup holder. That's alright though. Like I said, we finna get it. We finna get done.
I'm dirty as shit, bro. I need to take a shower, man.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Working man, working man. Yeah.
It moves, bro.
It moves. That's the turbo?
Yeah.
That's the turbo? Nigga, I thought the
Yours
tire
get way
I
longer.
thought the tire was rubbing on something, cause I ain't heard the new turbo yet.
Oh yeah, you have?
Nah, I haven't.
I'm not used to
That's
it.
how I like it going. Yeah, woo. Woo. You're not used to that. That first and second.
That
no more.
first second is way quicker on the other one, so I tried to like.
You gonna have to get used to that. That bitch sound good though. Turbo sound crazy. Noise clip. That thing sounds crazy. Yeah.
That shit sounds
Put that shit in my story. Niggas like run it. I'm like, hey, yo, chill. Once that wastegate open up, wastegate open up, that shit get wicked. Yeah, that's crazy.
Second's way longer.
That's crazy.
Oh, shit. I'm not crying.
Bumba clot. What do you say? Bumba clot. Bumba clot. Damn, Smalls. Nothing. The sunroof too. Hell yeah, hell yeah. That bitch sound spicy. Doom da doom da doom doom.
I'm gonna take off that charge pipe.
She's back. Huh?
I'm gonna take off that
You
blow
want more
pipe.
flutter?
Yeah, I want more flutter, bro. But it's back.
She's back. Yeah, yeah.
Dude, watch this piece of shit. Just can't break it. I just can't break it.
You ain't break it on purpose.
Oh, 6 months is crazy.
Shit, a month is crazy.
6 months, 6 days is crazy.
Don't touch nothing in the motor. Don't drive too crazy. 6 months.
Alright. I'm just picking it up right quick. Walking to the whip. Y'all see it. She look clean. I got to park here because this speed bump is insane on my car. But, yeah, man. Like I said, this is going to be a video on the new GoPro. First video on the new GoPro. This is what the fitment is looking like right now. I am on an uneven surface. But this is what she's looking like now. She is tucked and buck, nuck if you buck type. But I'm about to change that. Front about to change up. I got some goodies coming. Like I said, don't worry. I be saying that all the time, but this time I'm serious. She gonna change the horn. She gonna change the horn. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm about to go to my crib after this video. I just got off work. You'll see the shirt on, man. It's hot. Start up. Got this too. This is great. If you're a car guy, I don't know if y'all can really see it reading, but if you're a car guy, that's a must. I have them on all wheels. That right there, that's a must for any car guy right there. The tire pressure, But
successfully paired.
yeah, I was just getting on here to close this out. I don't know if I said it in the other video. Well, it's gonna be this video, but I don't know if I said it the other day. But like, comment, subscribe, you know, share, tell your mom, your aunt, your cousins, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, your misters, your missus, your mistress. Tell them all. Watch the vid, man. You know, shit coming for the G tune. Don't even worry about that. We ain't gonna talk about that. You know, look at this cluster. They turned out so they could turn in, and then they turn it in. You got the right of way. You making the left. Why are you waiting? Makes no sense. But yeah, man. Like I said, I'm about to get to the crib. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I'm posting, man. Like I said, it's gonna be hopefully a video next week. Hopefully a video next week. What I got coming in the mail, we're gonna have a video next week. Today is the 30th. So if I got what came in the mail, we're gonna have a video. So is today the 30th? No, that's wrong. Today is the 19th. The date on that is wrong. That's crazy. Today is what, June 9th? Today is June 19th. But yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I'm gonna keep talking forever, so I'm out.